Hey guys, welcome back to another video on the channel. So today we're here at Glendalogh station because they did a little change and I want to see the little change in action, and it's to do with the route 406. I know it's 406, this sounds more formal if I say 406. So, what is this change? It's a change that no one wouldn't care about if I mentioned to them, like, it's the smallest little thing. But that's not the entire reason why we're here. We're doing bus spotting. That looked better in my head. And then DJ was saying, "Want to shoot from that angle?" No, I just want to shoot like a normal one, which is like it didn't look stable like that. I know because I'm doing very vertical. I'll show you the stabilization. Right now, no, you can't see it in that reflection. Look, I'll get on a good angle. So the 414 stop. Mine will do. And this week we'll see, is it more smooth than last week? Roll? Actually no. Go watch last week's video and tell me what you think about the collapsing that it would do. Like, we'll see if we'll do any more collapsing today. Obviously Glendalogh station is not normally that busy of a station if you're looking for buses. They even removed transfer here for Scarborough bus services. But that was my favourite part. My local station had something cool. Now it just sounds like a basic station. Like, next station, Glendalogh. And it's like, it sounds like somebody's going to come after it. Like, when I say it, says it's like Glendalogh. Transfer here for Scarborough bus services. What the hell kind of witchcraft is going on in there? Let's go investigate. Is that a hybrid Ranger over there? Gee whiz. What does this world come to? I don't like the idea of a hybrid ute. I like the idea of an electric ute, not hybrid. Utes already suck. Oh, they're the Platinum Ranger. Oh, it looks like just like a yeah, it just looks like utes and foresters, and yeah, it looks like they're just repairing your cars, like the foresters. There's three foresters. F-150. I think that's a Mustang. Another Mustang, a Raptor, and an Escape. C-Series. That 128. Yeah, 128, cool. I'm gonna step closer to the car. Let's watch it apart. We'll go that way. As soon as it goes, I swear they never use C-Series. Like, you get the new trains, use them. They have 128, 129, 130, 131, 132, 133, 134, 135, 136. You have 9 C-Series. Like, 8 or 9 C-Series. Shut up. We just had 2 buses coming in one go. We have a B7 and another B7 behind it. We just had a dual B7 come in. On Route 85 and Route 407. We have a big... That's what it did last week. What did you protect? Like, what was it? I don't... Wait. I'm confused, DJI. Explain! That's 2900. Let me just take a little photo. Wait, with the bees that are on it. Make that a lot nicer. Well, at least this week it's not fighting me to take photos. Oh! Is it? Oh, yes! Yes! Pro was not happy that I was filming. We'll do another... try? We just got... There's another one! A B8 this time! Alright, should be coming. Uh-oh. Bad boys, bad boys. What you gonna do? Well, I can just do one quick thing here. If I need to dash into the car park. And the car park's not that big. I can just get... I'll be honest, because I get... Sea Lion 8. They're up to 8 now. Oh my god, there's so many of those Chinesian. Well, I don't think they're coming over because... What harm am I causing? I'm in my own little zone here. Like, no one's here. I'm not filming anyone. I'm just filming the little buses. I'm surprised they weren't like motor protected. That's fun. I highly recommend if you mainly film on a phone, get one. Okay. That was twice within this video already. Well, it's still finding me. It still wants to... Well, will it find me if the... Like, okay. I don't know why the thing like does this. I recommend you get one. Guys, get one if you like it. If you're gonna get one, don't get the Mobile 7 like I have here. This is my Mobile 7. The Mobile 7 sucks, as you can see. I didn't even get the cheap like Mobile SE or whatever, like the cheap one. No, I went with the last generation because in London they had a nice sale, so it was the cheapy. And then I just come here. Gotta do what every single bus enthusiast does for some reason. Gotta glaze the end. Hey. Now don't get me wrong, heritage cool. Old buses are cool, but you glaze the same bus type multiple times. 2269. Nice. Oh. I could see that happening from a mile away. I knew it. I was trying to get a photo of that one. Shut up. Stop it. That. 413. One of my favourite transfer bus routes. It's very cool. Move. I swear that bus has been in that livery for little ages. We even have 2900 is heading out. if you, like, could I hypothetically put this on, like, the cement thing? I mean, it's very unstable, but you could. But why the thing's built into it? Like, okay, I'm gonna say something. Oh, I left my bag open. Oh no. Okay. I'm gonna say this, and I need you guys to listen. If you are thinking about getting one of these as a transport YouTuber. Love them. Love gimbals. I am a DJI lover. But I have their... Oh... But I can't support these. The things are good in theory. Hang on, I did the same mistake that I did before. I've made the same mistake. I'm gonna rectify it. I'm so sorry for slandering you, DJI. But yeah, it is really bad that it can't evenly, like, it can't balance the fact that I'm unevenly distributed. I hope I don't miss the NH parting because it's on its next route. I'm gonna begin going, oh, gimbal protection, gimbal protection. I don't care about that one. That's okay. Protect that gimbal all you want when it's in adjusting. I don't. Shush. Shush. Thank you. So this is actually very... So yeah, just make sure you evenly distribute it. Put it in the middle of your phone. I think this thing was designed for iPhones because iPhones have their power button on the opposite side that Samsung's do. And this Smaznug, I'll just press its power button and it annoys me when it does. So I guess they made it so it, even if it does, I'm just showing the time. Like, I know this is not really bus spotting. But okay. I'm calling it bus spotting, but I know it's just me talking, and I like these videos, and I find it a little passion project. But man, it's hard to keep doing it when my views are so low for these videos. Like, for the 7 people that are watching this video, thank you. Like, retrospectively, thank you. And I don't like the way this channel's turning out. Unfortunately, my channel's going to short. I don't want that. I want my long form to pop up. When long form pops up off, that means money. And I want money so I don't have to get a job. And I don't. And even if it's only a few bucks per video, well, so be it. I'd rather a few bucks than nothing. But okay, you gotta think of it this way. My channel, it's been almost 2 years. Like, okay, so it's the 3rd of the 6th. I started, like, I think my first long form was, what the, oh, and Hatcher Bunny. I'll talk about this in a second, but this is very important. My first video was on the 9th of the 6th, 2024. On the 9th of June, 2024. My first long form. Why? Like, my views, like my channel, I don't mind if I only get like 50 views is all I want for a video. Like, I want this time to be actually well spent. I spent hours, like hours, planning the videos. Then the way to get here, sometimes I'll have a video idea and then I'll change it. That adds a huge commute. And then you have to figure out the hours that I spent editing these videos just for them to fail. And I'm finding that my videos that I don't edit, the videos that I just pull my phone out and just film, like, I'm seeing that the real me videos, like my real videos that I film, is that meant to be a car alarm? That is not alarming anyone. But the videos where I'm like, ow, like the one when the train just suddenly just lost power at Glendalogh, like this does good. But my videos that I spend hours, like probably a lot of people don't understand the production. A lot of people that watch my videos do, but so there's a certain amount that just watch the viewers. Let's see the viewers who don't make videos. Or if you do, you don't spend the amount of time. Public transport content is some of the hardest content. It's like, what, you're just sitting, like, most of the time you're like that, the NH was so cool. But most of the time, this is if I was making a good quality video, like, only buses, this one will be like, gee, it's a nice day out. Do you notice how boring that is? Do you notice how bored I get? So, I know these videos where I just talk, like the bus spotting videos, never do it. And I understand that. That's why I also like the bus spotting videos, because it's when people that I can, like, I spent hours and hours over the last, God, 2 years, I've uploaded 500 videos. 500 videos. And the videos, my shorts do well. And I love that. I love having shorts that with 450,000 views in my channel's lifetime. But I can't earn money. I need 3 million shorts, like watch hours of views. 3 million. That's a lot. That's like the population of WA. Oh, B12. B12, 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 B12. Another one. So, guys, if you ever see my videos, even just watching for the first 10 seconds, like just a little part of the intro, that counts as a view, and that's good. It means my views go up. You don't have to watch the whole thing. I don't expect people to watch the whole thing. Just watch a little bit and get it to count to the view, because that little 10 seconds goes a long way. Like, hang on, B12 coming here. B12 incoming! Hand the bus driver away! Charge of TV 3004! Bus driver, actual go! Actually go. And it's just these moments like that make me do it. I love, like, there's a grumpy bus driver, but then there's the actual best bus drivers. The 990 bus drivers always are so chill. Like, another NH 1174 as well. I'm going back here so I can take a photo of it. It won't. Like, don't get me wrong. There's a little part of me who likes. There's a little part of me that just wants to quit, because, or at least take a little break, because the school, like when I'm on holiday, filming is like nothing wrong. There's like nothing wrong. I can film to my heart's content. See, driving is so chill. Like, and then it's people like that who ruin it. Transport security, some of them are lame. Those people are so lame. But they'll give me like the dirty feel, like, what are you doing? And I'm like, I'm holding a camera. What do you think? I'm trying, like, a lot of people might call it a job. It's my job. To me, making content is a job. But it's just fun. It's like, not really a job. Like, but sometimes just the hours spent with no return makes it feel like a job. It just... Now, one day I'm probably going to look back on this and be like, why am I rambling about this? This is nothing that you guys need to know about. But it's just something that it's just, a lot of people want to be YouTubers, and the reality of it is, even if you have 5, 1,000, 2,000 subs, if it's all for shorts, like, shorts is a good way to grow your channel, but as soon as that growth peaks, there's downfall. And what happens when downfall? There's no views. And what happens when there's no views? There's no money. And money is the root of all evil. And but sometimes that just, like, money, like, think about it this way. People, so I've been out here for over an hour, and that's free. And then there's the hour or two I spend editing, and then there's the I don't do it anymore because I don't want to spend all that time doing like nothing. But yeah, I don't want to spend all that time when there's no viewers on those premieres. And the only reason I do premieres and not just publish is I like the live chat. Going to like the end of the video and then clicking live chat, it will show me, and maybe when I get more views again, I'll come back on there and talk. But to me right now, it's just getting really hard. Like, this is like one of my biggest fears is this exact moment where I have low views on these videos and lots of views on my shorts. The shorts don't give me much money when I do make money on them. I don't make money at all. You want to hear? Just go on like Vlog or whatever, or just like go onto ChatGPT or Google and just search up Glendalogh Transport Guide, like Glendalogh Transport Guide Analytics. I'm like, it's like Vlog or whatever. I'll pop it up once there's like no buses here. I'll just pop it up in a sec, because it just shows you how much. Now, hang on, I'll just have my emails, so I have it in my emails somewhere. Shouldn't be that long ago. No, definitely not that long. It's definitely in like... Alright, it's V-Link. Just go onto V-Link and search up Glendalogh Transport Guy. And you'll see that my analytics are insane. Like, when I upload shorts, I get like 2,000 views a day. That's a lot. If I uploaded a short a day, that's 365,000 views per year. And that would eventually, like, pay off. But I need 3 million. 3 million is like... Alright, so here I am, I'm that brick wall, like the standing there. And to get money, I have to get to the top. I've barely started climbing. Like, don't get me wrong, it's fun. Like, seeing bendy buses, like, this is probably one of the best things to do in your free time. A lot of people are like, oh, I don't like public transport. Mate, if public transport wasn't here, where would you? You'd be walking, riding a bike, or spending this money in this fuel crisis to fuel your gas-guzzling Ford Ranger, or fuel your Ford F-150 or whatever. Because, yeah, I'm gonna stop this ramble about this, because I don't want this to seem like, oh, I'm only doing this for money. That's not what I'm saying. I'm saying, after a while without making money, it just gets tiring. Like, think of the money, like, to break even with the amount that I even just been spending on this, the 130 AUD, because I wanted my videos to feel less like this and more like this. I wanted the views, and my London series was way lower than I wanted it to. Guys, I don't like talking about this, but to get home, so in total on the flights and stuff, it was $8,000. 8,000 AUD. So those were, I spent I didn't spend it, but $8,000 was spent on going to London to shoot 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 videos. 8 videos. That's $1,000 each video. Each video is $1,000. So to break even is $1,000 per video. That doesn't even cover the money I put on my card, and like the card itself, the little Oyster card, all the time, all the hotel. That's like all these videos weren't filmed in a day. Most of them probably were filmed in one day, but it was filmed over the week. So please understand that your views, like, I'm not saying that I don't want the support. Your support means like the absolute world. Like, when I found out that I hit 500 subscribers, I was in pure joy. And we're here. And I don't think if I didn't make shorts to make me proper, I don't think I'd be here. And you want to know what started this all? The root of all evil. A future bus started it all. Not the first ever short future bus. I'm talking about a future bus whose driver gave me an almost complete roll of sticker paper. That started it. Just that little gesture started an entire 2 years of this. Look at where I am. And if that future bus didn't give me that ticket paper, I wouldn't be here right now. It was all caused by a future bus. Everything good in life was caused by a future bus. Future bus! Really? A future bus started the entire channel. You call them boring. You don't like them. But man, I gotta honor it. Like, future buses, they started this channel. And if I'm ever gonna finish this channel, I want it to be with a future bus. But anyway, that's a lot of content for today. Thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and really hit that subscribe button. And I'll see you guys in the next one. The YouTuber started this channel. I still can't believe it. Bye.